Good morning, students. Welcome to Santa Junior College online classes. Okay, yesterday we discussed about the introduction topic of solution in the intermediate secondary syllabus. Solutions. In the continuous topic, we discussed about expressing concentration of solutions. Concentration of expressing concentration of solutions. Expressing concentration of the solutions. So, expressing concentration of the solution means the qualitative and the quantitative of solutes. Qualitative or quantitative of solutes. Qualitative solutes or quantitative solutes. This means solute particles are present in more quantity or less quantity. In case these solute particles are more quantity of solution, that solution is concentration solution. Concentration solution means the solution should be contains of more quantity of solutes. In the concentration solution, solute particles are more, and a dilute solution means solute particles are less. The solution should be contains of less quantity of solutes, that known as dilute. So these concentration solution and dilute solution is belongs to qualitative and quantitative solutions. These quantitative solutions is tells about expressing concentration of solution. These type of solutions are different ways of concentration solution. The first one, weight by weight percentage, and volume by volume percentage, and next one, weight by volume percentage, and fourth one, pp, parts per million, and the fifth one, molarity, and sixth one, molarity, and seventh one, mole fraction. These type of waves, weight by weight percentage and volume by volume percentage, volume by weight percentage, ppm, molarity and mole fraction. Okay, in this session these topics are we find them. The first one, weight by weight percentage. Weight by weight percentage means the weight of or the mass of the mass of the component, the mass of the component, the mass of component by Okay, weight by weight percentage means the mass of component, the mass of component by total mass of solution. The mass of component by total mass of solution is weight by weight percentage. For example, 10% of sugar solution means 10% of sugar solution means 10 grams of sugar by 100 grams of sugar solution. Okay students, 10 grams of sugar by 100 grams of sugar solution. In this method, 10 grams of sugar, this is component, 100 grams of solution, this is solute, this is solution. Now how much is the solvent students? 100 minus 10 is equal to 90 grams of water, that is solvent. Okay, 10% of sugar solution means 10 grams of sugar and 100 grams of sugar solution. 10 grams of sugar by 100 grams of sugar solution, that is weight by weight percentage. And volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage means the volume of component by total volume of solution. The volume of component by total volume of solution. Suppose 10% of ethanol solution means 10 ml of ethanol are dissolved in 100 ml of water. Solution. 10 ml of dissolved in 100 ml of ethanol solution. So it is solute. 10 ml of ethanol is the solute. 100 ml of solution. What is the solvent students? 100 minus 10 is 90 ml of water. This is volume by volume percentage. Volume by volume percentage means the volume of component by total volume of the solution. Mass by mass percent or weight by weight percent is the mass of the component by total mass of the solution. Then after weight by volume percentage. Same way, it means the weight of or the mass of component by total volume of solution. The mass of the component by total volume of the solution. Suppose we find that 100% of same way sugar solution or salt solution. 100% of salt solution. So 100 grams of salt by 100 ml of solution. 100 ml of solution. In this way, this is solute, this is always salt solution minus this solvent. This is weight by volume percentage. ppm. This is discussed about later. Next, the topic of molarity. It is very important topic. It is very important topic, students. Molarity. What is meant by molarity? Molarity. Molarity means 1 mole. Molarity means 1 mole of solute. 1 mole of solute are dissolved in the 1 mole of solute are dissolved in the 1 liter volume of solution. Okay, students, it is the molarity. Molarity means 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 liter volume of solution. Molarity is expressed by capital M. Molarity is expressed by capital M. So M equal to 1 mole. It is denoted by N by 1 liter volume of solution. Molarity is M equal to N by V. The definition of molarity: 1 mole of solute is dissolved in the 1 liter volume of solution. M equal to N by V. N means mole. How to calculate mole? So N equal to weight of component. You have taken different type of components like NaOH, HCl, MgCl, to these type of components. That is solute. So weight of the component by molecular weight of the component is known as mole. Okay, students, weight of the component by molecular weight of the component is known as mole. So molarity equal to weight by molecular weight into 1000 by V. In case value is expressed in the liters equal to N by V. In case value is expressed in milliliters, 1000 by V. Okay, students, it is the formula of molarity. Formula of molarity. Suppose the question: 4 grams of NaOH, 4 grams of NaOH is dissolved in 4 grams of NaOH is dissolved in 100 grams of 100 ml of solution. Okay, students, this is question. Find the molarity. Find the molarity. What are the questions, students? 4 grams of NaOH is dissolved in 100 ml of solution. Find the molarity. Okay. In this question, 4 grams of NaOH. It is the component. What component? Solute component. And 100 ml of solution. This is value. The formula of molarity finds that M equal to weight. Weight means component weight. What is the component? NaOH. How much? 4 grams. By molecular weight of the component. What is the molecular weight of the component NaOH? The molecular weight of NaOH: sodium plus oxygen plus hydrogen. the molecular mass of sodium 23 plus molecular mass of oxygen is 16 and hydrogen is 1. 23 plus 39 40 grams. Okay students, so 40 grams into 1000 by B. B for value. How much value? 100 ml. 100 ml. So cancel 10. 1 mole. What is the molarity? 1. This is molarity. Molarity means the 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 liter volume of solution. So molarity is indicates capital M. M equal to weight by molecular weight into 1000 by. This is molarity. Okay students. Next molality. Next molality. Quite different, small difference. Suppose molality means say mole of solute, mole of 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 kg weight of solvent. It is indicated the term of solvent, but it is solution. Okay students, solvent. 1 mole of solute is dissolved in 1 kg weight of solvent. Suppose 1 mole of molarity is expressed in capital small m. Molarity is capital M, molarity is small m. Molarity is denoted by small m. So small m equal to n by weight in kgs. Weight in kgs. Same students, total weight in this molarity total value, but molarity only total mass in expressed in kgs. So molarity, the differentiate between, what is the differentiate between molarity and molarity? Molarity is total value, molarity is total weight. Molarity is total value in liters, molarity is total value in total mass in kgs. Okay students, suppose molarity, suppose 1 mole of component is dissolved in 1 liter volume of solution, that is molarity. But same way, 1 mole of component is dissolved in 1 kg of total weight of the solvent. This is molarity, this is molarity. So this is formula of molarity. Small m equal to n by weight in kgs. So n means mole. How to find the mole? Same way, weight by molecular weight in weight by molecular weight. So weight by molecular weight into molarity, weight by molecular weight into 1000 by W means component in grams, component in grams. Okay students, this formula is in case component expressed in kgs, m equal to n by W. In case component expressed in grams, V by W by weight by molecular weight into 1000 by expressed in grams. Okay, suppose person, same way 5 grams of NaOH or suppose 10 grams of HCl are dissolved in 100 grams of solution. 100 grams of solution. Find the molarity. So 10 by molarity. What definition of formula of molarity? W by molecular weight into 1000 by W. This is small m. W means, in this session, W means 10 grams. Molecular weight of HCl 1 plus 35.5. Okay, 36.5 into 1000 by 100. 100 means 100 grams. Okay, students, cancel. This is find that molarity. Simplification. The small difference molarity and molarity. Molarity means total weight by, molarity means 1 mole of solute is dissolved in total volume of solution. Molarity means 1 mole of solute is dissolved in total grams of total weight of solution. In these two ways, small difference. Molarity is dependent by temperature. Molarity is dependent by temperature, but not molarity is independent by temperature. Independent by temperature. Molarity dependent by temperature. Molarity independent by temperature means molarity does not depend by temperature. Why? In this way, what is the formula of molarity, students? Capital M equal to N by V. V for value. According to the heat, temperature directly proportional to value. Okay, students? Temperature, according to the heat, temperature is directly proportional to value. In case volume are increase, temperature automatically increase. In case volume are decrease, temperature automatically decrease. So temperature directly proportional to heat. So molarity is dependent by volume. So molarity almost dependent by temperature. Okay, students? Molarity. Temperature does not depend by weight. There is don't relation between weight and temperature in the heat. Okay, weight, there is don't any relation between temperature and weight. So molarity is dependent by weight. Weight does not depend by temperature. So molarity does not depend by temperature. In this, molarity and molarity is only depend. Molarity depend by temperature. Molarity independent by temperature. Okay, students. This molarity and molarity. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you, students. Next, remaining topic discussed about later. Thank you.